Do you want to grow your spa business? Strong Spas can help. Our spas are proudly made right here in the USA, with our production facility located in Northumberland, PA. But Strong Spas isn't just an American company. We're a global leader in the hot tub industry, with dealers throughout Europe and North America. Become a Strong Spas dealer and gain access to unique features, including our Dura-Shield hardcover and versatile lift assist options. Offer your customers the ease and speed of our one-of-a-kind UL-approved, fully automated cover lift system. Strong Spas authorized dealers can showcase our energy-efficient Dura-Last Cabinet and Dura-Base, as well as a complete line of roto-molded and acrylic hot tubs. And with new dealer-exclusive designs, you'll have a sharp edge on the competition. Doing business with us is simple and effective. You can order through our dealer dashboard portal, ensuring accuracy and 24/7 access to ensure coast-to-coast coverage and support. Our sales team can train you and your staff on all the features and benefits of Strong Spas, so you'll know how best to present and sell them in your showroom. Even though many of our products offer a lifetime warranty, we'll be happy to assist you with technical issues, order status, warranty claims, and more. Strong Spas has a significant digital outreach and appears in print marketing, all things that will drive potential spa buyers right to your showroom. We make marketing the Strong Spas brand effortless by offering point-of-purchase displays, brochures, product samples, and more. At Strong Spas, we want to be your business partner because your success is our success. Want to grow your business? Want to learn more? Visit us at strongspas.com/dealers to set up your no-obligation consultation, or email us at dealersupport@strong9.com.